Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hi everybody, so we have A and B and C. So A says if the parent nucleus is 96 here, what would the daughter nucleus be? And what B is what conservative laws would violate during this decay, and C, how could this element decay at the same daughter nuclei? Okay, so here we need to know it has a double beta decay of zirconium, okay? So this is zirconium, okay? So for this, we can write this blank, and we have a double beta decay, okay? So that means that this is not quite going to be equal here but here we're going to have 96 up here. If I can write 96, there we go. And then for this, it's actually going to have, so this is going to take off 1 and 1 here, okay? So for that means we need to have 42 over here to make this whole thing 40, okay? And because of that, it's going to be, the daughter nucleus is going to be this, okay? And that is your answer for A. And B, and this is just going to be a written answer, so I apologize. So B was asking what conservative laws would be violated during this decay. Okay, so we have states. So for that, the conservative laws that are violated, so we have the conservation of the lepton number. Lepton number, and we'll put number as this, for shorthand, is violated in the double beta decay. Okay, and now for C, it's asking us determine the decay of the zirconium. So here, the decay of zirconium into molybdenium, and I'll put the name of this element for everybody. I'm also not great with names of elements either. Sometimes I forget what they're called, especially the ones that I don't use a lot, and that is totally okay. Just before you give a meeting about something, you should always Google it. So if you're going to speak up in class, make sure you know what the element is, or if you're going to speak up for a lecture or whatever, or you're going to give a lecture, just make sure you know what symbols mean. But when you're by yourself, if you know what it is, you know what you're talking about, you should be good. So the molybdenum is possible only when it exits two anti-neutrinos. In addition to the daughter nucleus and 2 electrons to conserve the lepton number. Okay, guys? Thank you so much, and I hope this helped. Thank you. And let's see, did I write the zirconium for you here? Let me write the name of that element too, just so you know what it is. And it always helps when we have zirconium written down for you. So let me write zirconium for you. There we go. Okay, guys, thank you.